that this is not fake news. The Russians are not involved. This is news that has taken place that involves high-level officials in the Memphis city government and individuals involved in the Shelby County Election Commission. That's why we're here today. This is real news, not fake news. It involves officials in high places that have clearly exhibited unethical and disgraceful behavior. I've been involved in public service for well over 40 years, and I've seen a lot of treachery. I've seen some dishonesty. I've seen some trust relationships broken. But never in my political career have I seen this type of unethical behavior in the body politics of Memphis and Shelby County. I had a dream once. Get him in the room and just let me talk to him.
During a youth workforce development discussion at the Community Foundation of Greater Memphis Monday night, a crime-fighting confession from the city's new mayor. 2 weeks ago, Mayor Young met face-to-face with Memphis's top gang leaders.
And my ask for them in that conversation was, can we get a 7-day ceasefire? Just 7 days. Where there's no shooting, no killing. And they said, yeah, we would be willing to do that. And they gave me a couple of caveats.
Mayor Young said the gangs wanted assurances their enemies would agree to the ceasefire.
The other thing they said was, well, you know, our young guys, they need money. They need money in their pockets. That's the way you can change it.
Gang members said Young want good jobs and the upskilling needed to get them. This group celebrating J.P. Morgan Chase donating more than $272,000 to the Collective Blueprint, a nonprofit that helps unemployed young people find a successful career path.
With the conservative white folk, they all for manhood, they all for womanhood, they all for childhood, they're trying to keep them educated. Keep that cult together with children. See,
can you hear me? Testing 1, 2, 3. Can you hear me now? Good. Have you figured out the fake news? Don't worry. You gonna learn today. Stay tuned.
Let me give you one more thing to take back to Chicago. Be careful with the funk you ask for. You just might get it.
The lights are so bright in my eyes that I can't see too many people out there. But I can only see the black ones. I can't see any white ones. You see? That's how far I've come. That's how far I've come.
No.
Put Auntie Fee and CEO Bobby. Just the whole worthless piece of. This was 2 years ago. Time. He got hit again. Unless he's ready. He had to give up something. Some of y'all, some of this stuff, I told y'all. I heard it was out. He was on get back. Didn't I tell you? He had to give up some people.
No.
The more people tell, the more people snitch, the more drugs get confiscated, the more other people and their family members come up missing from Greyhound bus stations, found on the side of the road for some people, shot up and killed in their home, all of that. Cars flip, crash outs, all of that. It's all on purpose. It's all for a purpose. Being the live entertainment. This is G Train's son. For the pink house, penitentiary house. It's another spot. That's 2 years ago. JoJo Splat, Bang Wayne's cousin, uncle, kinfolk. Okay? Connect them dots, y'all. Guess who sell cars again? Aunt Keon. Okay? Okay?
CEO Bob in the church. Today he going back way down with a low taper. Right here we lifting the hair out the scalp with the comb so it can feed smoothly into the clippers.
CEO Bobby, y'all.
Now right here we're taking that time.
This is what he look like with a fresh cut. My Memphis tea sippers, if you see him anywhere near you, before you park, move your car. Just go to another store. Go on, get some gas someplace else. Don't you dare park, get out, make eye contact. Just act like you don't see that ass and just turn and go the other way. He finna get your car. And his partners is in another car right around the block or right around the corner. He hangs with Walk Down Gang, Shula Mafia. I need to check on Jay Moolah. Y'all, is Jay Moolah still Rhodes? What's his name? Jalen Rhodes. I need to check on him, make sure he's still in. But yeah, he hangs with Drop by Splat. Has anybody seen JoJo Splat? Wang bang, the bang 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 bang, wang bang. All of them, they all hang together. They all car thieves and shoot them up, bang bang, robbers and stuff. So y'all be aware. This is G Train's son. I heard he have a brother, Baby Train. What y'all know about Baby Train? Baby Train. Who is Baby Train? Let's talk about it.